Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota Prius rear brake pads. First, gather your tools, including a floor jack, jack stands, wheel chocks, a 14mm socket, and a specialized brake caliper rewind tool. Safely lift your vehicle and secure it on jack stands. Remember to loosen the brake fluid reservoir cap to allow for fluid displacement as you compress the caliper piston. With the wheel off, you'll first detach the parking brake cable, usually held by a 10mm bolt. Next, use a 14mm socket to remove the two caliper guide pin bolts, then carefully slide off the caliper. Support it with a hanger to avoid stressing the brake hose. After removing the old pads, unbolt the two 14mm caliper bracket bolts and remove the bracket. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the caliper bracket and lubricating the guide pins with brake grease to ensure smooth operation. Install the new brake pad hardware clips onto the bracket, then carefully slide the new brake pads into place. Crucially, use a brake caliper rewind tool to rotate the piston clockwise while compressing it. Align the pistons cross-pattern with the pad's pin for proper fitment. Reinstall the caliper mounting bracket, tightening its two bolts to 42 foot-pounds. Then, carefully slide the caliper back over the new pads and rotor, securing its two guide pin bolts to 25 foot-pounds. Reattach the parking brake cable. Finally, reinstall the wheel, torque the lug nuts to 76 foot-pounds, and pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. Check your brake fluid level and top off if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.